Hey everyone, Miss Joelle here again. I'm going to be showing you this time how to access your new library card that you just applied for. Hopefully you watched the first video or you already have an LA Public Library card that you're ready to use. This video is specifically for students who want to read their ebook or listen to their audiobook using a computer. So a Chromebook or some sort of computer. There will be a separate video for how to use an app to access all of these books on any sort of smartphone or portable device. So if you are using a computer, what you're going to do is you're going to come to LAPL, that stands for Los Angeles Public Library.org, and you're going to go to this top corner, My Library Account. Now, when you do that, it's going to pop in and it's going to ask for your library card. That is where you are going to enter the information from this email that you received. So I'm going to copy and paste that, and I'm going to put it into my library ID space. This was the last 4 digits of your phone number, so I'm going to go ahead and type those in. If you want the device to remember you, you can. And I'm going to log in with that new e-card. Now, my information is now going to pop up. This has all of the information needed by the library. And what you are going to want to do is you're now going to want to start searching for books. So let's say I've been super into The Sun is Also a Star. So I keep using that as my example. So I'm going to search for my for my book that I want. So slow. Here it comes. Ooh, I can even get the DVD. So I can see that there is, oh my gosh, look at this. There's a DVD, there's a CD, but you don't want those because you would have to go in to pick them up. But what you would want is an audiobook, so you could read the e-audiobook or the ebook, right? Because both of those you're going to be able to get without leaving your house. You'll notice this one, they have the regular book available too, but in order to get that one, you would have to go to the library to physically pick it up. They're doing curbside pickup there as well. So anyway, I'm going to show you how to get the ebook and the audiobook. So in order to get your ebook, we are going to click and we are going to borrow. Now, when we borrow, again, we're going to have to sign in using that same library card as before. And now that it is ready, I can click borrow. And you can see I can either read it now in my browser, or if you have a Kindle or an iPhone or something, you can also send it there this way. But there's a much easier way to get the books on your phone. So if you want to use the Kindle or the Kindle app, you can use this here. But I'm going to do read now in browser. And that is going to show you the book. And it has popped up. Here it is. You can click to scroll through all of the different pages. Next, I'm going to show you how to access the audiobook. So let's go back to that list of all of the books that were available. Oops, sign in. And no, I don't want that one again. All right, let's just go back to search. So The Sun is Also a Star. Oh, I like how it looks different now. So this time I want to try the audiobook. So I'm going to go into the audiobook. I actually already checked this out, which is why it says go to loans. But normally it would say borrow, and you would do the same exact thing that I just did. But this time, instead of read now in browser, you're going to see listen in browser. And you will see this is actually from the Libby app, which I'm going to show you for those of you who want to use a phone or a smart device.
Listening Library presents The Sun is Also a Star.
And there you go. It is that easy. Look, 5 minutes to get your free audiobook and ebook directly to your home. If you're interested, like I said, in listening on your phone or I should say smartphone or iPad or anything like that, please follow the video instructions for how to listen using an app. Hope that was helpful. Happy reading!